During the Accademia Barilla Short Film Festival Awards, the chef have prepared an ice cream using the liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen has boiling point at minus 320 Fahrenheit degrees. That's why the chef is wearing that glove, to protect his hand. Now the chefs start the preparation. In the stainless steel bowl, we have the ice cream base, made with milk, cream, sugar and egg yolks. In the other bowl with the green handle, we have the liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen have been chosen because it can cool down the mixture quicker and better than a normal ice cream machine. The fog that you see during the process is due to the evaporation of the liquid nitrogen. It is important to pour the liquid nitrogen very slowly into the ice cream mixture to avoid the crystallization of the fat that will leave lumps in the ice cream. It is also important to whisk constantly the mixture to keep it homogeneous and smooth. Finally, the ice cream is ready to be served. First customers were the awarded directors. The ice cream made in this way has a fresher flavors and a finer and smoother texture.